Hey guys, it's Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you this cute flower baskets that I create using this die over here. So you can create as many flower basket treat bags with this die. So in here, I have 4 ideas, one for Christmas, one for Halloween, one for happy birthday, and one for Easter. So for the Christmas one, I decided to go with the red cardstock, and then this part over here, I just trace this inside part of the die on the paper, and then I cut it off, and then I glue on both sides, and I only decorate in one side. So this doily paper in here, I use this mini doily dies. They are so cute that I got off Amazon too, and here how they look like when you cut through the paper. They are perfect for this size of treat bags. So this treat bag size, I'm gonna show you the measurements. So from the top is a little bit over than 3 inches and a quarter, and on over here on the bottom it is 2 inches and a quarter, and from the top in here to the bottom it is 2 inches and a half. So it's a pretty good size that you can fit small little candies in here, or whatever small little things that you want to share with family and friends. And then in here, I decided to go with this embellishment Santa Claus, and then 2 of the glitter bows, and with the gemstone. It really turned out so cute. I'm really happy with this flower basket die. And then for the Halloween flower basket treat bag, I decided to go with the black cardstock. And then I decorate with the word trick or treat, and then with this skeleton, and then the doily, which is this one right here. And then I decide to glue a white flower with the purple gemstone. So it turned out so cute too. And then for the happy birthday, I decided to go with the pink cardstock and with this paper with all the candles in here, and the happy birthday, and 2 pink bows with the light pink gemstones. And then for the Easter flower basket treat bag, I decided to go with the yellow and with this floral paper in here. And then I chose this die, which turned out so cute in here with this little bunny with the hat. So all these treat flower bags turned out so cute. I really love it. And then to do that, you just have to cut 2 of them, and then there has the lines in here that you can just fold it in. So you do that with your bone folder, and then you folded this other parts too in. Make sure that you folded this part too. Then the other part is gonna be on this other side. So you're gonna glue this part to here. So let me just fold this part over here. Make it easy for me to show you guys. I'm not gonna make it, but I'm just gonna show you. It's easy to put these flower treat bags together. So it's like this. Before you put your flower baskets together, you gotta make sure that you glue the paper in here too, with the design that you want to use it. And then this part, you're gonna fold it too. And then you're going to glue inside. Like this. So, and that's how I made it. All this for over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.